This is the objective bit from complex numbers. Let us solve this bit. 1 plus omega square plus so on plus omega power 300. And observe that the terms in the series follows the GP series. The terms in the series are in GP series. GP series. And note that number of terms in the series is 301. So the number of terms in the series will be finite. So the corresponding formula is Sn is equal to A times R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, where A is the first term in the series. First term in the series is equal to 1. R is common ratio. It can be obtained by taking T2 by T1. Omega divided by 1, value will be omega, and n will be number of terms in the series. Here it is 301. It's not the count 300, it is 301. Let us apply all these values. A times r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So A is 1, R is omega power 301 minus 1 by omega minus 1. We can neglect the 1. So this can be written as 1 omega times omega power 300 minus 1 whole divided by omega minus 1. And further, it can be simplified as omega cube whole power 100 minus 1 divided by omega minus 1. But we know that omega cube value is equal to 1. So it can be substituted omega times 1 per 100 minus 1 divided by omega minus 1, and result will be omega minus 1 by omega minus 1. So these two terms gets cancelled. The final answer is 1. So clearly option 4 is the correct option. Thank you.